Ever dreamed of a business where orders magically fly from your store directly to your fulfillment team? No manual entry needed. Welcome to the future of e-commerce automation. Today, we're diving deep into how to connect Zapier with Vervante, your print-on-demand and fulfillment powerhouse, to slash your order processing time and boost customer happiness. First things first, we need to set up our Zap in Zapier. Head over to your Zapier account and click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Our goal is to trigger an action every time a new order comes in. So, for your trigger app, select the e-commerce platform you use. This could be Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, or any other popular platform that Zapier supports. Next, choose your trigger event. Typically, this will be new order or new paid order, depending on your platform. And when you want the automation to fire, this tells Zapier exactly what event to watch for. Now, you'll need to connect your e-commerce store to Zapier. Just follow the prompts to authorize the connection, ensuring Zapier can access your order data securely. With our trigger set, let's define what happens next in the Action App section. Search for and select Vervante. This is our direct line to your print-on-demand fulfillment. For your action event, you'll want to choose the option that corresponds to sending new order information to Vervante. For processing, this might be something like Create Order or Submit Fulfillment Request. This is the crucial mapping step. Zapier lets you tell Vervante exactly what piece of order information goes, where you'll match fields like customer name, shipping address, product details, and quantities from your store to the fields Vervante needs to fulfill the order. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. Before turning your Zap on, it's vital to test it. Zapier will run a test to ensure that the order data is being sent correctly to Vervante. Review the test results carefully to catch any potential errors. Once you've confirmed everything is working perfectly, it's time to activate your automation. Click Turn on Zap and voil a tilde. Your orders will now flow seamlessly from your online store directly to Vervante, waiting to be printed and shipped. This means less manual work, fewer errors, and happy customers receiving their products faster. Ready to transform your e-commerce operations? Start integrating Zapier with Vervante today and experience the power of true automation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce automation tips.